I can't express, so I will use a phrase. I will start from using a local phrase that is used to recite by my grandmother. मानव जीवन ओस की बूंद धूप लगे गल जाई भजन कर भाई ये जीवन दो दिन का. Even we can't remember our first breath that will we take while being in the womb of our mother. माँ की गोद में हम अपनी पहली सांस भी नहीं जान पाते, कोई नहीं जान पाता कि when we have taken our first breath, and we can't know our last breath also. So its life is completely like anything can be happen within a fraction of second. This thing was also given by everyone in their view. So I believe there is something that gives us the values of being Atma Samarpan, and this is the thing taught by the Bhas Govindam, in which everything what we are doing, like it is a every karma we are doing in our daily life, that everything that should be devoted to the God, so that like we have sense organ and that gives us like earth, dharma, kam, moksha. These types of feelings get like totally spread in our mind when we have the thinking that I am doing everything. When we think that the God is the doer of everything, that is the ultimate source of energy, source of power, source of life, that we have a different forms of God according to our devotion, but the ultimate is the truth of Brahman. So he is the doer. When we have this belief that the Govind is, that the Brahm is doing a doer of everything, then these all like shortcomings of our personality, arth, dharma, kam, moksha, every these shortcomings that inculcate in our mind, this thing should be like little bit, this will be go away from our mind, and we will be a pure soul having only one feeling of devotion towards the ultimate Brahman. So this is the like think philosophy in this first sloka given by Bhas Govindam. So anytime anything can be happen. Many times in our life when nothing is in our control, we have lots of belief that something will happen like a miracle, like something will have who will keep away like keep away from this towards like a the situation in which we have get stuck, and we are thinking how to how to get out of this situation. In that time we believe that there should be some prayers we are offering to the ultimate God, and he will make out of that. So I believe in every doing, every action of our life, I think each and every second, whether it is good or whether anything is happening good or bad in our life, we should have a ultimate thought of seeking Govind or Brahman in our daily life, daily life and daily like each and every second. So thank you. Hari Om.